In today's video, we are going to talk about exponential transformations. In the question, we are asked to match the color curves to the correct functions below. And before we start doing that, let's look at the exponential equation. We have f of x equals to a times b to the x power. A is your constant, b is your growth or decay rate, and x is your independent variable, such as time. So, if b is greater than 1, then your graph is going to be increasing. If it's less than 1, then it's going to be decreasing. Now let's look at the functions. So, for function a, your b is 0.69, which is less than 1, so this is going to be decreasing. And for part b, your b is 1.28, which is greater than 1, that's going to be increasing. And c is decreasing, d is increasing, e is also increasing, and f is decreasing. Alright, so after we do that, we're going to look at the constant. Constant pretty much is our y-intercept. If you look on the graphs, there's only two lines that has a higher y-intercept than the rest of them. And because only D and F have 4 instead of 2, we know that these two lines are going to be D or F. So, because we said that D is going to be increasing, so D is going to be blue. And for F, we said that it's going to be decreasing, so it's going to be yellow. Alright, so now let's look at the side notes here. The bigger the difference between a number, which is going to be your b, and 1, the steeper the graph is going to be. So let's look at the remaining increasing. You have a b that's 1.59 here, and a b value that's 1.28. Because 1.59 has a bigger difference than 1.28, we know that 1.59 is going to be steeper. So if you look on the graphs, there's only two lines that's increasing. You have the green or the orange. Because orange is steeper, we know that E is going to be orange. And B is going to be green. Now we're going to do the same thing to the decreasing. So there's only two left. The B is 0.69, and the B for part C is 0.81. Because 0.61 has a bigger difference than 0.81, this is going to be steeper.